Jayesh, can you make me the co-host once? I have to share something with teachers.
Yeah, ma'am. Awesome.
Thank you. A very good afternoon, everyone. So today is the 16th session of our PyCode series, and we'll be discussing another very interesting topic. So before we start with the session, I'd like to make a quick announcement. So we've been seeing that some of the schools have been doing really well, where students are giving their quizzes and assignments. So I'd like to announce top 4 schools where students have done really well in their quiz sessions, in their session quizzes. So let me. So a big shout out to JNV Gwalior, JNV Una, JNV Nalgonda, and JNV North 24 Parganas. So congratulations to these teachers for really motivating the students to do the session quizzes and assignments. And I would like to request the other teachers also to please motivate the students, because these quizzes and assignments are really important, because the more they practice, the more it will be easier for them to do the coding. So in the next session, we'll be announcing the top students who will be submitting the quizzes of this session. So attend this session really carefully, and in the last, please give up your quizzes and assignment. And I'd like to request Jayesh sir also to walk them through the end quiz and assignment once before they end, after the end of the session. So let's start with today's session. Jayesh sir, you can start. I'll just stop.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, so hello all of you. How are you? I hope all of you are doing good. So welcome to the session. Okay, so again, this is a very interesting session. I missed one session, the previous session, in which we have created the dream car. I hope all of you have created the different dream cars, whatever you like, because whenever we are doing coding and whenever we are learning that kind of thing, in which we learn the graphic thing, okay, so we learn like how to design different kind of things, how to create your imagination into reality, and I hope you have done that. So on that note, let's start a new session in which we will learn how to detect the mask. Okay, so let me just go through that. And before that, I have a very interesting topic for you. That is, okay. Just give me a moment. Just open. Okay, so an interesting question for you. So here we go. Okay, so topic is escape door riddle. As you can see, and the question for you is, you will see different kinds of doors. So that. Okay, question is very simple. Which door will you choose? So which door you will choose? So you can see in your screen you have total 6 doors. And first, all of you look into this photo. It's very interesting photo. Okay, with this photo only you will get the answer. And after that, I will show you the basically these points also. See, after door 1, so is there like that. So again, first, let me show you the photo for 1 minute. Which door you will choose? So there is total 6 doors, and because it's door, so then you can choose multiple doors also. And there is a time bomb over here. Okay, there is a time bomb over here, so like you need to save yourself. So this is the question. You are trapped in the room which is about to explode in 15 minutes. So you have 15 minutes for this. The only escape is through the those 6 doors, right? You have 6 doors. So in 6 में से कोई एक door या दो door है इसमें safe. So you can find 2 safe door and escape. Okay. तो आपके पास 2 डोर सेफ होंगे और उसको आपको एस्केप करना है. तो डोर 1 में क्या है? इन द डोर 1 you will find pool filled with the piranha. So this is very dangerous ship. Those who don't know, a mad psycho waiting to kill you. Okay, again a very like kind of say very killing guy, right? The third one is the high voltage wires above the wet floor, and the fourth one is room with the ragging fire. Oh, very hot. Okay, 2 deadly predators, lion and wolf. Okay, so have not eaten since 1 day, waiting to eat you. And the next one is 10th floor room with only 1 window. So these are the 5 or 6 doors which you have. And now you need to tell me which door you will choose. You have 2 doors to select. So at the same time, checking the YouTube also. If anyone know the answer, you can comment it in the YouTube. So waiting for your reply. Okay, no one know the answer. Yes, GNV Kangra, GNV Yanam, GNV SLM, Ajmer, Kunul. We are unable to see your screen. You are not unable to see my screen. Okay. Thanks for letting me know if you are not able to see my screen. Here we go. I hope you can see now. Now GNV Haridwar, Mohinder Gahal, Kunul. Okay. My voice is it fine now? So at the same time checking the YouTube also, so those who have any like those who know the answer, they can just write the answer. You can not you can tell the door numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. No one? Yes, anyone? GNV Rai Bareli. Okay, any guess, any wild guess, any one of you? It's not very hard, it's very easy. See the diagram, see this photo, it's very simple. Okay, Let me tell you the answer for this because we can't wait that much. Okay, so first one is this one, door number 3, in which you can like if you just move down, right? So you can go through this water if you not touch the electric wire. So that is a safe door. Door number 3 is a safe door, right? And the door number 5. Door number 5 is a safe door, and you can just see this over here. The two deadly predators, lion and wolf. If they both are deadly, so they will eat each other. Door number 3 and 4. Okay, I got first answer, 3 and 4. 3 is the correct answer. So your answer is correct. Reading challenge. Okay, and the next door is fifth door. Fifth door is safe. Okay, thank you so much. Those who gave the answer, those who tried, thanks a lot. Now let's just jump into the AI Connect and let's just see what we are going to do in this session, what we have learned in the previous session, right? So let me just show you that. Again, I hope all of you know how to do the login in this. So simple, if you go to the Google and search for the AI Connect, let me just do that. I'm searching for AI Connect, or okay, for you, it's, you don't need to do it also. If you go to your platform only now, like this platform. Okay, let me just show you that. If you go to this platform, over here, we already added a link. This is a platform link, which we already added. So just click on this link and then you can, AI Connect will already, you can see it's opening. Okay, so very simple. So this is my username and password. I just put my username and password and then I click login. Yeah, okay. So over here we have basic Python, we have graphic design, we have machine learning, and we have AI real world. Okay. So graphic design you have seen in the previous session. And now in this session, I'm going to tell you machine learning. Okay. That will be like very interesting topic. Okay. So let me just show you that dream car, or let me just give you the kind of small glimpse or kind of small view or how you can create the different kinds of graphic design projects. Okay. Let me just show you that. Okay, so design dream car. Okay, this is graphic design, PyCode. I have already selected. So all of you, you already know how to create activity and project. The project is already created. My project name is PyCode. Activity name is design car, which you have learned in the previous session, right? And now I will click on the create button. So once I click create, you will see this. This is over here. Just want to tell you what you have learned in the previous session. Okay, how the forward backward works, because if I show you the whole activity now, because the main idea is to tell you, because once you know this forward backward left right logic now, you can do anything, right? Any design, any imagination thing you can create in a real life. It's that simple. Okay, so first of all, what I will do, I will click on the variable. I will do it very fast. Okay, I will click on
Jayesh,
the
sir, we
variable.
cannot see your AI Connect screen.
Okay.
You're on the dashboard. Yeah. Yes, visible now.
Okay. I hope you can see. Yeah, okay, fine. So what I will do first I will create a variable. So we already know how to create variable, right? So this is the variable we have created. Car is the name of the variable. Then what I will do, I will go to the draw and I will click on the turtle and I will take this block called create new turtle. I will put it over here. So just think like this. I have created this is a magic pen I have. Okay. The name of my magic pen, you can think like this is a car is the name of my magic pen. Okay. Now what I will do, I will tell you how to go left, right, and how you can imagine it, right? So first, suppose if I want to create a line, right? So those who miss the class also now, this session will be like this 5 or 10 minutes is very useful for you. So I will click on the car, we'll put it over here. Now let's just run it. So can you see? I click and my car go forward. Simple. Okay. So now if I want, let's just say I want to go forward. Let me just write over here 100. So now point to note down is your turtle will always go from left to right. Okay. So by default position is left to right. Up now, suppose, just see where the turtle is facing. My turtle is facing like this. Okay, all of you can see this. My turtle is facing like this. And now I want to go on the other side. Okay, maybe I want to go on the right hand side. So if you want to go to the right hand side, you can just think like this. Right is this side, right? So you will go down. And for up, you will see left side. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just go over here in the motion. And I will take a block called right block. Okay, I will put it over here. Car, I will put it over here, and 90-degree turn. Okay, so now I'm not changing the turn right now. Let's just see what it will do. So right turn, think like this. This is your right hand. Right hand is this side. So let's just run it. Okay, can you see this? The turtle turn towards the right hand side, which is basically moving facing down. Okay, now what I will do, if you want to create a line, you will go forward. Simple, right? Simple is this. Okay, now suppose I want to create a like just say in the door I want to create, or I want to create a this angle kind of stuff, right? Okay, I want to create an angle kind of stuff. So let me just do this first forward. So first I go forward 100, then I turn 90. That's why it is moving down. Now, anyone have any guess what this forward will do? Yes, anyone? Yes, any one of you know what forward will do? Okay, no one. Okay, so if I click on this forward button now, so basically what will do my it will create a line. Simple. So right and left is for turn, forward or backward is to create that line. Okay, to draw basically. Okay, now suppose if I want to go on this side, I want to turn and I want to go on this side. Again, you can think like this. Suppose you are moving like this, you are facing like this, and you want to go on this side or right side. Just you can just think like this. If you think in this way now, you will never do a mistake in this. That is the whole thing, right? So suppose if I do one thing now, if I turn right side, okay, I turn right side, sorry, right I already done. So left turn and then 90-degree. Okay, and then I will go forward. So maybe I can go forward, let's just say 200. Okay, and now what I will do, I will click run. See, okay, it's going toward this side, but I want it to go up. So let me just change the angle. Okay, so I'm just changing it to 60-degree. Okay, 60 is moving it on this side, right? So, so your turtle is like this, it turns 60-degree, it coming like this. I want to go up, so I will increase the value. Maybe I can go 120-degree. It will go up. Yeah, like this way. Okay. So okay, what I want to tell you is in a simple word, forward, okay, and backward, okay. Whatever value you will write, it will move to that much value. Okay. Second thing is left and right is used for the turning. Okay. And wherever your turtle is facing now, so you can just use your hand, left hand, right hand, and then you can assume ki where it will go. That's it. Simple. Okay. I hope all of you understand this much. Now let's just start the new activity, that is a mass detection. Okay. That is a very interesting activity which we are going to do today. So let me just show you that. So all of you, it's very good habit to save your project. Okay. So I hope already you have this habit to save your project. Now let's just start it and mass detection. Yeah. Okay. This I have already created of machine learning. So those who don't know how to create this, so let me just show you again. Click on the create activity. Okay. Write the name of the activity, that is mask detection. Mask detection. Okay. This is the name of the activity. Then what you need to do is you need to click on this basic Python. You need to select, and then you need to go to the machine learning. Okay. The activity type will be machine learning. Very important. Okay. Then project is whatever you have created, the project name. So in my case, it's PyCode. Okay. and then you need to click on the create button. Simple. Activity name, mask detection. Activity type is machine learning, and the third is PyCode. Then I will click on the create button. Okay, in my case, it's showing already done because I've already created. Let me just open that, but I hope you understand. So all of you giving you 1 minute to create the activity. Okay, I hope we can start. Okay, so before starting this activity, now I just want to give you a very small example of machine learning. Okay, so all of you are already aware about YouTube, right? We are watching this, you are watching this session on YouTube, right? So we have seen like in YouTube, what happened, like whenever we are having like, what you call it? Let's just say if I watch any cartoon, okay? So similar kind of cartoon they suggest us also. YouTube suggests us ki you can watch, if let's just say you, if you watch Chota Bheem, right? So they give you example of a, let's just say Doraemon. Okay, so YouTube with a similar kind of example दिखाता है वो. So what they do is they basically use the machine learning algorithms, right? Whatever we watch, that is basically data for the YouTube, right? जो हमने देखा ना वो बेसिकली उसका डेटा होता है उसके लिए, उसकी मशीन को लर्न करने के लिए, राइट? और जब वो मशीन लर्न करती है तो फिर वो सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ आपको दिखाती है कि ये चीज देख लो. ओके, Jayesh, you can watch this. Jayesh, you can watch this. Like this kind of thing I have seen. Okay, so this is basically that. Even you have seen in Zomato also. Okay, whenever you have ordered, let's just say any, let's just say if you order any, if you order cold drink, so they will suggest you snacks also. Okay, so recommended, that kind of thing you have seen. So that kind of thing, why, like how that thing happened? That happened because machine is learning from your data which you have given already, right? जो आपने भी देखा, जो आपने watch करा, that is basically data for the YouTube. And after that they will give you the recommendation कि similar kind of people, those who have seen this kind of thing, so they also watch this thing. So that is basically how machine learning work, or how basic idea of machine learning in very layman language. Okay, one more thing example, those who see Gmail ID, right? Though if you have Gmail ID, so you have seen spam folder, right? So how the like messages come to the spam folder, right? I can give you the example for that maybe right now only. So if I show you this, okay, this is my mail ID and this is my spam folder. Okay, wait a minute, spam. So how the commercial message come over here? Okay, this is circuit digest, iconic code. How this message come over here? How the Gmail know ki this is not the useful message? Other messages are in my inbox. You can see there is a 3,550 messages, right? But these few messages
We
that are in,
can't see your screen inbox only if you are showing that.
wait a minute.
Yes, it's visible now.
Okay, okay. Okay, sorry for that. I thought I have shared my full screen, but I guess I shared only that part only. Okay, so what I'm talking is I was talking about the inbox messages. So you have seen some messages are in my inbox right now, okay? And some are in my spam folder. You can see the spam in the spam. I'm only having 2 messages, right? So दो message inbox में, बाकी सारे message मेरे sorry, दो message मेरे spam में and other messages are in the inbox. How is that possible? How is that segregation possible? Okay, so what again machine learning come into picture. Okay, so यहाँ पे भी what they done is कि basically if you find this keyword, so mark it as spam. Okay, if you find this keyword, if any mail contain this, so it means it's a spam. So that's why it is coming over here. Okay, so how this thing work, and let me give you a very simple example. Let's just say Okay, I hope you can see my AI Connect now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Very simple example. Suppose, let me just give example of this phone. Okay. Machine learning is what? In which machine learn, right? So suppose when I was very young, okay, I was talking about that age in which I was like 1 year old or 2 year old, right? So at that point of time, if my parents told me, if my mother tell me ki, okay, Jayesh, this is a bottle, right? This is bottle, correct? They will also say like this, bottle, take the bottle, like this way, right? So what I learn is ki I will think ki, okay, this is a bottle, and I'm damn sure at that time I will say this thing as bottle. But now I'm saying as mobile phone because I know, because they told me ki this is mobile phone, or people used to say like this. That's why I learn, right? So we gradually learn this thing, and this is how same machine learning happen. Okay, so I hope all of you have a clear idea what is machine learning, in which machine will learn. So now let's just do it. Okay, and it's very interesting also. The first thing is we will click on this option, that is image train. Okay, so now we will give sample of images. Okay, we will give sample images, and after sample images you will get whenever you show your face and whenever person is wearing mask, it will show you, okay, you are wearing mask. That kind of project we are going to create today. Okay, for that I have one more very good example. So I guess all of you are using this smartphone, right? In the smartphone there is a feature like fingerprint. Okay, fingerprint is there one feature, right? In which we give, first we give all the samples, right? We first give the sample, and after that whenever we put our hand, okay, we whenever we put our hand in this mark area, in the specific area, so we in my phone unlock, right? So wo bhi kya hai, wo bhi to in this also same thing happen, right? So that is one of the example, a kind of, right? Now let's just do it. So whatever we are going to do today, that will we'll do it on the image only. Okay, तो आपको click करना है image train पे. You need to click on the train button, and once you click it, it will come like this. Okay, so Teachable Machine is a platform which we are going to use. This is developed by the Google. Okay, to do machine learning project to create model basically, right? अब मैं model क्यों कह रहा हूँ? Okay, why I'm telling model and what is this teachable machine? Where the teachable come from? तो that I'm telling you today कि कैसे क्या teachable होता है, कैसे train होता है model, क्या classes होती हैं. तो all of you, I'm repeating again, what you need to do is you need to go over here. आपके जो open होगा machine learning वाला, right? You need to click on image train. Then you need to click on the train button. So first I click on a train button. So all of you please do it, and you will get this kind of thing. Okay, so once you have done this much, what you will do, you will click on the class one. So we will create two class. First will be your mask. Okay, mask. The second will be no mask. Okay, mask or no mask. Okay, I hope all of you done this much. It's very simple. Okay, I'm not right now. I just want to detect two things. That will be mask or no mask. That's why I'm taking. I have added two classes. But if you have many things, right? If you want to detect many things, so you can create many classes, right? तो अभी मेरे पास दो ही ऑप्शन थे. मुझे सिर्फ मास्क और नो मास्क डिटेक्ट करना है. तो अभी के लिए मैंने सिर्फ दो क्लास बनाई है. बट यू कैन क्रिएट मल्टीपल क्लासेस. Okay, आप multiple classes बना सकते हो इसमें. Now the second thing is, what I will do, I will click on the webcam, or I'm going to take some sample images. Okay, so how you will take the sample images? So this is mask, right? So I used to carry my mask. Today also I carry. Just put it over here. Okay, so let me take some sample images. So what I will do, I will I'll click on this sample images I will take. So you can just move your head like this to get sample, different kinds of sample. Okay, one more thing. I have taken 145 samples. So the more sample you will take, the better model it will be. The more sample you will give, the better model will create. And if you have created a better model, so it will better identify you. It will classify you better. That is class or mask or no mask, right? तो जितनी ज्यादा इमेजेस होगी टाइम ज्यादा लगेगा मॉडल बनने में, बट उससे क्या होगा कि आपके पास बहुत अच्छे क्लासिफिकेशन हो जाएंगे. मतलब आप मास्क दिखाओगे वो शो कर देगा कि मास्क. ओके, तो सेम थिंग आई विल डू विद नो मास्क ऑल्सो. तो नो मास्क पे क्लिक करते हैं और कुछ फोटो से ले लेते हैं, कुछ पास से भी. Done. I have taken 153 photos. So around 145 of mask or 153 images of this one. Okay, again I will tell you कि अगर आपका इंटरनेट इज वेरी नाइस, इंटरनेट बहुत अच्छा है, और अगर आपके पास सिस्टम भी ठीक ठाक है आपका, तो यू कैन टेक लाइक 300-400 इमेजेस. तो वो इमेजेस पे जो मॉडल बनता है वो काइंड ऑफ वेरी द कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल आई कैन से, और जो प्रिडिक्शन होते हैं उसके वो ज्यादा बेटर होते हैं. ओके, सो नाउ आई विल डू वन थिंग. आई विल क्लिक ऑन द ट्रेन मॉडल. तो ट्रेनिंग विल डेफिनेटली टेक सम टाइम. तो प्रिपेयर ट्रेनिंग डेटा. तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 ही क्लास थी और 2 क्लास में मैंने अराउंड 300 के अराउंड फोटोज ऐड करी है. तो इट विल टेक टाइम. Okay, one more very important thing is, as you can see in my screen, it is telling me to not leave the page. So whenever you are training your data, okay, so you don't need to leave the page. Okay, so it is telling me some time also. It will not take that much time, like hardly take like more 10 seconds. Done. I created my model. Let's test the model. So first I give the sample images, then I train my model, and now it's time to test the model. So let me just show my face and let's just see how it works. Oh, it's 100%. No mask. We go close. It's perfectly fine. Okay, with this much images also, it's working very nicely. Okay, let me just check with the mask also. Let me put my mask. Oh yeah, it's showing me 100%. Even if I just put it over here, let me just. Okay. So for mask, 100%. For no mask, again. Let me just put it over here. So see, if I put like this, so this is not a good way of putting the mask. It is saying no mask. Now what you learn from this is, because when I do the basically whenever I done the training of the model now, at that point of time I put my mask on this side, right? So my model is trained in this way. Okay, whatever images I have given now, according to that, whatever model is created now, that knows ki if the person is having the mask, so the person will put it in this position, right? In this way it will put the mask, right? So that's it. So now my model is good. Okay, I will click on the export model now. And that's it. First, all of you do this much. So give sample images, train your model, test your model. So all of you do these 3 steps of machine learning. And then we will do one thing. We need to click on the export model. So all of you done this much? Now it's time to upload my model. So basically, if I'm saying uploading my model, so basically I'm uploading my model in a cloud. So it will give me a shareable link. Okay. So I click on upload my model and it will take again like 10 to 20 seconds. Okay, done. I got a link. Okay, all of you need to click on this one, copy the link, right? And yeah, that's it. Simple. Copy the link. Copy your link. And okay, first of all of you do this much. And all of you, if you have any doubt now, so you can ask me if you have any doubt. Anyone? If any one of you is having any kind of doubt, you are free to ask. Okay, I guess you don't have any doubt. That's good. If you have no doubt, let me just show you again the next part of this. So now what I will do, I will go to the AI Connect. I will go to the, sorry, this I have already opened now. Okay, I hope you can see my AI Connect now. So I copy that link from there. Then I will go to this option called Teachable. And in Teachable, you will click this option that is load the model. Okay, load the model and you need to paste the link here. So load the model, it will load the model from that link which is taken from the Teachable Machine website. Okay, and now I have the link. Okay, after this, what I will do, I have the model link. Okay, now I want, let's just see what we can do. We can load the image, we can predict the result of webcam, or we can show the webcam. So first, what I will do, I will click on the show the webcam, and let's just say, let's just print the result. Okay, I want to simply print the result as of now. Webcam. Let me just run the code now. You can see, okay, so yeah, none. Okay, now just see, it is working only one time. Now I'm not getting the none also. Okay, so why this is happening? Because whenever I run the code, this script run, but this script run only one time. So if it is running only one time, that is why I'm getting the answer only one time. So what I can do is, okay, right now it's little bit, it is hang, I guess. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, okay, no mask. I want it to work not only one time, I want it to work multiple number of a time. Any guess what I will add, which block I can add, so that it will work multiple number of a time. And whenever you are also doing it now, so for like just 2 or 3 seconds, your system will not respond. But again, like after 2 or 3 seconds, it will definitely respond. Anyone, what I can do, okay, what I can do, I want this thing to work multiple number of a times. So what I can do? Yes, no guess? Okay, it's very simple. Go to the loop, okay, and take the block, repeat 10 times if you want to work 10 times, if you know the number, right? In my case, I don't know the number, like how many times or how many how many times I want to do it, right? तो मुझे नंबर नहीं पता. If you know the number, अगर आपको पता है कि आपको कितने बार चलाना है इसको, तो आप रिपीट का ब्लॉक लोगे, राइट? इफ यू डोंट नो कि कितने बार चलेगा, तो टेक द रिपीट वाइल, राइट? एंड रिपीट वाइल लगाते व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल गो टू द इनपुट एंड आपको ट्रू कर देना उसको, कंडीशन को. तो रिपीट ट्रू का मतलब होता है कि इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ अ टाइम. ओके, तो इनफाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ अ टाइम आई हैव क्रिएटेड. अब व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पुट दिस थिंग ओवर हियर. दैट्स इट. अब मैं इसको रन करूंगा. अगेन थोड़ा सा लोड लेने में टाइम लगेगा, थोड़ा हैंग हो जाएगा, बट अगेन आफ्टर सम टाइम विल वर्क. यू विल सी मल्टीपल नंबर ऑफ अ टाइम्स यहाँ पे मास्क और नो मास्क आएंगे. तो ओके, सी यू कैन सी नो मास्क, ओके, 2 times. जस्ट सी थर्ड टाइम आता नहीं आता. No mask. I can put my mask. Now I'm wearing mask. So let's see what I will get. Expecting mask. Let's just see. Okay, what gone wrong? Oops, it's worked only 3 times. Maybe there is some technical glitch. I run it again. So as you can see, now I'm getting mask. So I'm wearing mask. It's showing the answer as a mask. Let's just see some next result. Okay, I guess there is some technical issue. That's why my screen gone blank. Okay. Okay, maybe we have done the forever block now. That is why it is not responding. No worries, we'll do one thing. We'll change it to repeat block instead of forever. Okay, till that time, my machine is responding. Let me just move this. Okay, till that time, my machine is responding. So basically, I hope you have a fair idea what machine learning is. So machine learning in which the machine will learn from its basically from its experience, from the data which you will give, and accordingly it will like if you give some sample, if you show them, if you show it, if you show the similar kind of thing, okay, so we can tell you, okay, this is this, okay, this is this. Let's just say I want to predict two cartoons, okay. I want to predict Doraemon. I want to predict, let's just say, any super Power Rangers. Let's just say. So it will tell you, okay, this is Doraemon and this is Power Rangers. Like this kind of thing you can do with this, okay. And let me just check what is happening. Yeah, it came back. Okay, yeah, okay, yeah, it's working now, finally. And what change I'm doing now, okay, all of you, let me remove this repeat from here. I don't want to do it like forever time. I will do one thing. I will take a repeat block. I want to print it only 10 times. Let's just see that works or not. I click run. This time I'm only predicting in 10 times. Okay, it's not showing anything. Okay. I'm just checking the model also, whether it's the same model or not. LIS. Okay. Should work. Let me just do one thing. Save my project. Maybe let me open it again. Mass detection. Run. Camera open. None. Good. I'm getting first output. Yeah, now I'm getting the output. No mask. Now it's working fine. There's some technical issue. So no mask, no mask. You can see, and let me put my mask over here. Mask. Okay. Mask. Okay. So now it's very simple. Whatever loop we have discussed. So I just put a loop over here that is 10 times. I repeat it 10 times. That's I'm getting the result. Now what else you can add over here? So whatever result you are getting, right? So let me just add a loop over here. And what I can do is no conditional statement. I will go to the logic, I'll go to the if condition, and then I will say if the result, if the predicted result is mask, if this is mask, and okay, one more thing, which is very important. Whatever way you have written at the time of writing the class, the same way you need to written over here. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. So if you have written M in capital, the same thing you need to write M capital over here. अगर वहां पे कैपिटल है तो यहाँ पे भी कैपिटल ही होगा. Okay. So that is very important. Now after that, what I will do, I will just write what else over here, right? और अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगा? I will just write a simple message that good, you are safe from virus. तो अगर मैंने मास्क पहन रखा है तो ये good, you are safe from virus, it will just show me. Otherwise, it will show virus can attack you. Danger, virus can attack you. Okay, let me just run the code again. Just see the result now. So danger, because I have not, there is no mask right now, that's why it is showing danger. Okay, and the danger, virus can attack. Okay, I guess I need to. Okay, I guess there's some issue with my laptop today. I don't know why it's hanging a lot. I just run it again. Let's see what I'll get. Okay, I guess I need to switch because it's taking so much of time in this, but I hope you understand, right? The conditional statement and the loading model. So let me just give you what we have discussed. So first we discuss how to load the model. So we need to we will get the model from teachable machine. Whatever model, uploaded model, whatever you will get the link. That link you need to put over here. After getting the link, you need to show your webcam. You need to add the command to show the webcam, then only your webcam will open. Okay. And after that, you will write a condition that if you are wearing, like if the predicted result